good afternoon. We are in Gaziveren village and living an adventure one more time in the back of a tractor. Right now we are going to a field of okra, which is a specific vegetable of this Gaziveren village. Meanwhile, I've learned that the whole population consists of 900 Turkish Cypriots, no other foreigners or expats living here. So it's quite a small community, but a very fertile land, and everyone here is really dealing with agriculture, which is brilliant. So now we're going to go see the okra fields. Who's with us? It is Münevver. Oh my God, Münevver, have you been on a tractor before?
Yes,
You have?
since my childhood.
Since our childhood. This is back to the good old times, isn't it?
Yeah.
Here we are, Gaziveren. You will remember we've had adventures with tractors a year ago. First of all in Mehmetçik, another Sitaslo municipality, same with Lefke municipality. And we had another tractor adventure with Muhtar's wife in Gelincik. So this time we are in Gaziveren West, and yes, we live the real deal. Yes, and other people think we're crazy. That's the spirit.